Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get Eminem in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is to combine earth and water to create plant, then combine it with wind to create dandelion. After creating dandelion, combine it with water to create wine, then combine it with another wine to create another balloon. Now combine balloon and fire to create pop, then combine earth and wind to create dust, and combine it with plant to create a pollen. Combine it with water to create honey. Now combine honey and pop to make hip hop. Then combine hip hop and wind to create rap. Now combine it with dust to create rapper, and then combine it with wind to create Eminem. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.